Hi Nobles, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know everyone is gonna ask me about the hair specs. This hair is from my line, it's from my brand. It is free Born Noble hair extensions. I'm using 2 bundles of 12 and 14 inches, and I'm using a 12 inches closure just to have that layer. And I actually didn't cut it or anything, I didn't trim it, I didn't do anything to it, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So if you're interested in this hair or this look in general, make sure you contact book freebornoblehair@gmail.com or follow us on Instagram on freebornoblewigs. Absolutely love the hair, you guys can see. Before we get straight into this video, so I was recording and I have this microphone thing going on. I don't even know what the brand is, but I realized that I was talking and there was no sound in the video, and I was so pissed with myself. I was like, Camilla, always double check. And I did do a little, review. You're gonna watch it in the next. You're gonna watch it soon. And then I realized that it wasn't recording, so I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna give you a quick recap on the Bare Minerals BarePro Skin Improving Longwear, and I absolutely love the brand in general. And if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you'd have seen a sneak peek of this. I love the powder, I love the foundation, I love the concealer. We're gonna get straight into the video. I love this packaging that they gave me, absolutely love it. And it literally comes with the concealer, the full coverage that lasts up to 16 hours. Make sure I put the retail price down on it. And I got 2 different shades. So I got a concealer shade, dark neutral in number 13, and then I got 2 contour shades in deep neutral color 15. And bear in mind that contour is a bit lighter than me, so if anyone is just a little bit lighter than me, it'll be perfect for them. But this one is too light to be a contour. But this 2 here, love it. And this is literally my first time wearing it in this video. I showed you how I applied my concealer. The concealer, what I'm going to tell you about this concealer is that it is very dry. So if you apply it on your face, once you apply it on your face, you make sure you get your damp beauty blender and you blend it straight away. What I did was I left it for about a minute because I was taking photos for my thumbnails. So what I had to do was I had to spray my setting spray on it, and then I started damping and blending away with my concealer. So it was actually fine, but I needed to, press on more because it was dry. So what I'll tell you is that once you apply it, blend it immediately. You can see mine was super dry, but it actually worked out so well. I think I'm gonna actually start leaving the concealer to dry. I think Jackie Aina actually does this, and I think it's actually a very good idea. I could see a difference. Usually I'll get lines under my eyes or my eye bags, you start seeing the lines, but this is super drying and I absolutely love it. It's something that I'll definitely recommend. You can even see the difference with my makeup. I think you can see a difference with my makeup, to be honest, and I really do like it. So yeah, make sure you check it out if you're someone who you're looking for a new concealer, you're tired of your old concealer, and you want to try something new when you want to go out, you want something that's going to last you for a very long time. I'll definitely say get your hands on this Bare Minerals full coverage concealer. So I wanted to make sure I give you a quick recap on this product. This packaging, it also comes with the foundation, and then the last but not least is the powder. Guys, I love this powder. I'm like, oh my god, powder heaven. But this is the BarePro as well. I've done all the videos on them, and you guys would know, if you know me, you'd know I love Bare Minerals. Make sure you check it out in Debenhams, Brownthomas, in different stores in America. I'll make sure I'll put all the details down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and stay tuned for the finished look.
Money, baby, no go look at your face. Follow me, they go on a wave. Oh yeah, give me some quick. Baby, I go love you every day. See, I no go do you bad things. Say me, I don't go use it your way. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, let me take you round town. We rolling in my new Mercedes. Oh baby, me and you go be 5 and 6 until any cage. Oh baby, me they talk anything when they want to, cause it good. You don't know her. Please, I won't follow you talk good. She my baby need go long. It's like I'm falling in love. Them by a sock. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Not only you where I feel love. Me I want to talk to. Before the matter long go. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Pick up. Not only you where I feel love. Not only you where I feel love. Not only you where I feel love, sister. So no they can't give me trouble. So no they can't give me trouble. Chica, way that you wine nothing, you make me the one to the my heart. Baby, if you give me nothing, I go give you your heart desires. Then let me take you around town. We rolling in my new Mercedes. Oh baby, me and you go be 5 and 6 until any cage. Oh baby, me they talk anything when they want to, cause it quick. You don't know her. Please, I won't follow you talk good. She my baby need go long. It's like I'm falling in love. Them by a sock. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Not only you where I feel love. Me I want to talk to. Before the matter long go. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Pick up. Not only you where I feel love. So let me show you love. Baby, let me touch you, squeeze you, and talk. We can hit it off in the back. I can show you what it's like to me. Yeah, you don't know her. Please, I won't follow you talk good. She my baby need go long. It's like I'm falling in love. Them by a sock. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Not only you where I feel love. Me I want to talk to. Before the matter long go. I'm calling your phone, pick up. Pick up. Not only you where I feel love.